Hello and welcome back. This is Ryan with Sports Stuff Hub doing a box break of 2013 Panini Spectra Football. This is a little bit older box that we're jumping back to. So Panini Spectra, this will be the first Panini Spectra box that I've ever opened actually, and it's 6 packs per box. 5 cards per pack, 6 autographs, and 6 memorabilia. So you get 12 hits per box. So let's crack open the first one here. Like I said, this is 2013, so this is going to be rookie year for Le'Veon Bell, Eddie Lacy, Tavon Austin, guys like that. So let's get the first pack open here. So we got a Zach Stacy, our first hit, Kenny Britt, jersey card, there it is, numbered out of 299 in the top corner there, and a Matt McGloin autographed rookie card, numbered out of 299 as well. So Matt McGloin and a Kenny Britt starts it off. Let's hope that that's not the trend that continues to go as we crack these open. Man, every single one of these is wrapped well. Alright, let's see what we got in the next pack. Jeez. They don't want you opening these.
Yeah, they're tough packs.
There we go. All right. Monty Ball, rookie card, leads this one off. There's a Gavin Escobar jersey patch, or a autograph on it. This one's numbered out of 99. And a Robert Alford autographed rookie card, numbered out of 199. And Aaron Rodgers, Doug Martin. All right, moving on. Pack number 3. See right in the front of the pack there already, we got a EJ Manuel rookie card. Yay. Oh, come on. So we'll start off with an EJ Manuel rookie card in this one. Jimmy Graham. That's a parallel. 3 of 5 on the parallel. All right, so Jake Locker, Chris Johnson dual patch. Let's see what this one is numbered out of. This one's numbered 12 of 49. And our autograph, Josh Boyce. Oh boy, out of 299. And Calvin Russell and Nick Foles, Justin Blackman rounds that pack up. All right, so got 3 packs to go, halfway done, and so far nothing to write home to mom about. Bring me some good luck, Jesus. Alright, card in front opens up.
All you have to do is hit Le'Veon Bell.
That's all I need. That's all I need. So we got a Drew Brees. There's a CJ Spiller Redemption. Spectra Signatures Blue Redemption card. So our hit then in this box, Robert Griffin III. Patch card, numbered 24 of 25. And then Tony Gonzalez, Jimmy Graham, Brand Whedon, Troy Polamalu. I think so far I'd take that Troy Polamalu base card over everything else. All right, pack number 5 of 6. Look at that. Geno Smith rookie card starts it off. Yay. Giovanni Bernard, another rookie. Here's a Bjorn Werner patch card, and this one's numbered 16/25. And our autograph, Robert Woods.
Not bad.
Nope. Numbered 45/49. And then Matt Forte and a card stuck together, LaShawn McCoy. There's a little piece of tape between those. I'll have to make sure I get that off. All right, last pack. Last pack.
Here's the good stuff.
I'm hoping so. I need a big hit out of this to make this box worthwhile. Starting off in front, Quentin Patton rookie card. Looks like a parallel blue. Yep, 33/49 on the rookie. Santonio Holmes. This looks like the breast cancer awareness parallel with no numbering on the back. All right, so let's see what our first hit to this one is. Bacardi Rambo patch card. It's a nice patch on it. Let's see what it's numbered out of. 7/25. And our last hit of the box, Matt Scott, the great Jaguars backup, never seen the field quarterback. Numbered 56/99. Oh boy, that was a bum box. Well, this is Ryan with Sports Stuff Hub, and that was a box of 2013 Spectra.